Hi everyone and welcome to my place. If you are like me and you have elderly friends and those that are sick, you might enjoy this design. This design is the design, I make a design like this every year for my front door so that everybody coming in has a lovely little Christmas scene. This type of design that I'm going to share with you now is what I make for my friends that are sick and that are in retirement homes and have very little space. You need to find yourself a tall glass cylinder container in a size that will suit, and then you need to find the little bits and pieces that you think that the person that you are making it for will love. Now my friend Mrs. Wilson, this is what she's going to get this year. I've got a little Christmas tree, a little artificial tree that's got some lovely little silver glitter in it, and I found her this dear little angel that's got this lovely little skirt on it, and it's just a matter of, once you've got all your components, of putting them into the vessel. So whatever you're putting into there, you have to make sure that it's the right size. Now you could either use a little bit of spruce or artificial garland of whatever you can find, or I thought that this year for Mrs. Wilson I would use the baby's breath. You can either use fresh or artificial. I'm thinking that artificial is going to be the best thing forward here, and that's going to represent my snow. If you've got some snow, you could perhaps use some snow into there as well. And because I've got these little bits of silver onto there, I am going to put just a few sprigs of this down and into the container to make this it look like the tree has sort of like shed a few little wee branches. So that can just go down and into there like so. And you just be really mindful of everything that goes into here. It's got to fit so that it doesn't look too squishy. Now I'm going to put these in to the container at the same time. So, oh, see what I mean by falling over? I need to just make, oh, we don't want our angel to be looking like she's falling. So I'm just going to put that just like that. In fact, as I'm looking at her, I'm feeling that I need to just push her back into the little branches. So there's something really quick and easy to make for someone special for Christmas. Doesn't take up too much room, and just imagine if you were stuck in bed all day, how lovely would this be? Now the other thing that I will probably do when I go up to see her is I may even put some lovely fairy lights around it so that she's got a little bit of a sparkle, but I think that that's sitting on her windowsill so that she can look at it will be just very nice. Hope you've enjoyed that. Merry Christmas everyone, and I hope that you all have a wonderful festive time. See you again another day.